My name is Nelson Salam Kamkaskili from village Hanjal Kaskili. I will share for you some information about old area. And I define what is the profession and what is the names of old area. When internet not common being, the people have a very fitted and very enriched with vitamin and can easily our maintain our work. But nowadays, when internet come on being, people also suffering from many diseases because the internet puzzled of human. Nowadays, many people suffering from disease cause of internet in which and mostly people use to tablet, smartphone and many devices which which has been discovered in the world. So people cannot easily our work and personally our mind is suffering from disease. So what is say at this point?
My name is Dr. Shah, the son of Sir Murtaza Shah from India. I am here to tell you some beneficial about New Era. You said that people got disease.
Yes.
So when people got disease, they will just search AI and he will tell him the place and tell him the location that a hospital is 5 kilometers, 4, 3 or 2 kilometers away. So he will tell him the best route to reach it early. And now, when old time, if a if a person has a big disease called I think like cancer, so the person will be buried. But nowadays, if you have cancer, then the doctor will cure you because the technology has increased in your era. What will you say about it?
According to old era, many people suffering from disease I accept, but not more than increase of disease ratio. And nowadays, many suffering from disease, and you can say, do you know, people have suffering from cardiovascular disease and blood pressure and many etc. But according to old era, people not suffering in many disease who can also include in disease, but not disease ratio is less than, mostly less than. And I say I talking about the old era about some point. The old man used to pure things and not useful things, and who can easily our work and maintain any problem. And when who doing any war, who can easily success. So in nowadays, many people not work our carefully, and when a machine has been come, people not have fitted our body. So old era, according to old era, man easily our work and also busy in our work, not help of machines. And you know nowadays machine has been come, so people not our work easily.
So, say that the machine has come, people get lazy. So, in old era, 10 to 20 people worked at a place but still didn't do the work in 2 to 4 days. But when machine comes, it do it in 1 to half hour. How?
If we look at old era men have fitted and his body have enriched vitamin. Who can work? Who can one people work with per hour, not without any help. But machine has been come and not people work per hour. So what you say there?
Say that the people got lazy when machine has been invented for the rest of the humans because many people get tired while working. If you look at the old era, many people worked at 10 to 20 hours, they got tired, but still they did not finish the work. When machine comes, everything has been faster. And people, and older people has many problems to find jobs. But nowadays, there are many websites, many apps, many in an application. So people just apply, and when they got succeed, they will earn 70,000, 80,000 per month, or maybe 1 lakh, 2 lakh a month.
No, I am not satisfied your point. I kick out the new era because people in according to old era people the costing is very down. People earning money is our limit, but according to new era people have need of so much money. So people have not maintain our any life problem.
People can maintain every, if you have brain, if you use your brain, then you can maintain your money. Then how is my father maintaining that much money? Tell me. My father are not only my father, my uncle, the smallest uncle in my family, he also works online. Why? Then how is he maintaining that much money? He earns, I think, 1 lakh to 1,20,000 dollars.
You say that your uncle earning money from internet any device.
Yes.
Your uncle can easily earning money from internet, but who can suffering from disease, who can not fit our body, who can waste our time and persuade our mind, who can suffering from many health disease and health issues problem,
If
who
people
can
have,
suffering from paralysis, who can follow our mind.
in old era, technology hasn't been increased, but in new era, if you have a big disease, then doctor will find the solution in 1 month, or if it is more harder, then they will find at least at 1 to 2 years. But in old era, people use 10 years to make just to just find a little big solution of cancer. But in new era, people just type in AI what is the solution of cancer, and they think they have the solution in the medicine of the cancer.
If we look at the old era, people who cannot suffering any more than disease, who can suffering from disease but not increase any disease, who can solve any with old tools, with help of agriculture things, plants who can treat easily. But anyone who not treat can far away from village in any cities. But according to old era, the disease is not any more than in which old era. But nowadays, many diseases spread day by day.
Observe you are in the time of old era, and your neighbor or your friend have cancer. How will he cure his cancer? And the solution of cancer has not been introduced, has not been found. How will he cure? How will he cure his cancer?
I believe that Allah, when Allah protect him, but we can try to anything else, but we can try to anything else with the help of, I say that with help of many plants and many tools, we can say that
Plants doesn't cure
plants,
cancer. Plants doesn't cure.
tools and plants which made from many medicine and I try to say that plant have to teach to man. You understand?
They are
The
plants,
flower,
not doctors.
any leaves which is made from medicine, you can easily treat, but try to leave of cancer.
If a person has a hard and serious cancer, how will he cure it? In old time, how will he cure it? And I tell you that the cancer cannot be cured by plants, because people doesn't know what chemical, what what solution will be used, what ingredients will be used to make the solution of cancer, and he doesn't know. How will he cure his hard and serious cancer? Tell me.
In old area, many old people who have many intelligence, who made from many types of medicine, which are made from plants, can treat, but the life, of Allah can protect of our. But new era, many people not work easily because machine has been come. Because
Machine can
old
for
era man work, one people work per hour. But machine has been come, not people work easily. One who can feel weakness